Alpha and Arca 3.
You can check the winds are picking up, and I'm seeing increased fire activity.
Copy that.
The fires that we're dealing with now on the landscape are so much more challenging than anything I've experienced in the last 28 years. 2003 was one of the first seasons where there was significant home losses in BC. Fire sizes that summer were abnormally large, and we were like, wow, is this an unprecedented season? Then comes 2009, significant large fires again, 2010, significant large fires, 2012, 2015, 2017, 2018, when we thought we're almost burning 1 million hectares. Wow, like, where is this coming from?